Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I share to you some important facts pagkatapos mong makapag-file ng COR sa BIR. So without further ado, number 1, no annual fee registration. Yes, wala na pong annual registration fee that cost 500 pesos. So laking tulong na po yun sa ating mga online seller, no? And then number 2, no expiration of receipt. Kasi before, ang alam ko, meron siyang expiration within 5 years ata. So, wala na siyang expiration. Pangatlo, dapat daw i-display mo yung certificate ng COR at saka yung green card na ibibigay nila sa inyo. Pero sa atin, since online lang, so doon natin ipopost sa ating, siguro sa ating album or anything basta makita ng ating buyer. So, ganyan siya. Pang-apat, dapat meron tayong book of account and it must be registered sa UROS, sa BIR website. And ano naman siya, madali lang siyang gawin. All you need to do is sign up and then register your book of account. Ito yung general ledger. Okay? So, pang-lima is meron kang obligation in terms of filing your income tax. For pure online selling without other source of income, you'll have a annual income tax, and then quarterly tax, and then percentage. Ayun lang, annual income tax and then quarterly tax. Pero tatlo yun, bali annual income tax, and then individual income tax, 1701Q, and then yung percentage tax na 2551Q. Lahat sila magdudu sa every 15. So sa first quarter, that's May 15, and then second quarter, August 15, and then third quarter is November 15, and then yung annual income tax that we do every April 15. So number 7, kailangan natin mag-file even if wala tayong income kasi that is for tax compliance. And then number 7, if ever you're closing your business, you need to surrender the receipts. If meron pang receipts na natira, tapos kasali din yung green certificate at saka COR and other notices issued by the bureau, and also your book of accounts. They might need you to present it to the BIR. So ayan lang guys, ayan lang yung mga importante na dapat alam mo after na makapag-register ka sa BIR. So sana meron kayong natutunan, and if you like this video, kindly hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga susunod na videos katulad nito. Thanks for watching!